What is up, guys? I am back with another video of the forest, and today's plan, we're gonna go into a cave. And with that said, let's jump in. And we're in. It's been a while since I've played, but if you guys didn't tune in from last video, basically we rebuilt the entire foundation because I did it so terribly wrong last video, or the video before that. And so I just decided to rebuild it. And that was pretty much all of last video. And yeah, today's plan, we're gonna go into a cave. I was thinking of the the katana cave because it has both the katana and the chainsaw. And from last video, I really wanted to get the chainsaw because the rusty axe is not cutting it whatsoever, and it was not a good weapon to start off with. So yeah. Alright guys, I found the cave. It did take me a little while to get over here, or to find the actual cave entrance, because our base location is quite a ways from the cave. And I also, I searched up where the katana cave was. So yeah, that also did take me a little bit. But other than that, it was pretty much smooth sailings. So yeah, let's jump in. Okay. Some lag off the bat. Let me get out my lighter. Alright. So I'm not too sure what's in this cave. Hopefully not like a mutant or anything. Because it is past day 10. Oh, some drawings. I don't even know what that is. A part of Timmy's toy. We got the chest and the leg now. So that's pretty cool. Okay. I have no idea what that was. Alright. So now we got cannibals that make noises. That probably is the mutant. Screw it. Oh, I see it over there. That thing has a lot of arms. Yeah, so I'm going this way. Oh, it's chasing me, isn't it? Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, that thing was definitely chasing me. 100%. Okay, yeah, I'm going on this side of the cave first. Oh, okay. That was a bit scary. Who hangs just a bunch of fingers on the wall? And an entire fingerless hand. Or is that a wrist? That's a wrist. But is there anything over there? What is that? What are these noises? Oh, some gas? Fuel? Oh, are we at the chainsaw? Hold on. Katana. Yo, okay. I was not expecting to find it that fast. Found passenger seat 3A. Alcohol. Okay, we gotta watch for that. So let's just turn these alcohol into bombs. And then let's make it sticky. There we go. Some fire. Yeah, I could eat, I guess. It wouldn't hurt to eat. Cook that. Another keyboard. There's a bunch of cash here. So, it's basically fire fuel, I guess. Some more cloth. Flares, I'm full on that. Meds, I will take. Oh, food. More meds, soda, more food, meds, sodas, a bunch of watches, cloth, and I think that's it. Booze. Guess we don't need that food anyway, but I'll still eat it. And let's just make one more bomb. Boom, boom. Down. No, I don't want to leave. I want to make it sticky. There we go. I can carry a lot more. Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready to go kill that mutant. Oh, there's some, actually no, there's something over here. Soda. I think we're going soda. What's in here? Plastic torch. Fuse. And a bunch of heads. Okay. I'm pretty sure we already had the flashlight. Yeah, I think we already had the flashlight. And that just looks like a dead end. And something is like running up there. That's not good. Sometimes I feel like the flashlight is better than the lighter because it illuminates more, but once this thing like is on 20% battery, this thing actually sucks. Alright, time has come. I'm just gonna throw a bunch of bombs at it. A whole bunch. Oh, okay, that was bad. Alright. Time. Okay. Alright. Where are you? Where are you at? Chugs. I really hope I hit it. Oh, I did, okay. Okay, that did not kill it. Damn, that thing has a lot of arms. What did I blow up? Alright, come on, let's go. Poisoned. Oh! I can barely see him right now. Holy! Oh my god, that thing scared me. That body actually scared me. What is that cannibal doing? Come on, let's go. Let's scrap. Oh. The mutant wants to scrap. Oh, I got it. I think I got it. Come on, let's fight. Come on. Thank you. And there's like 3 other cannibals. I don't know where they went. Pick up my air hose. Wait, can we skin it? Wait, what do we get if we skin it? Creepy armor collect. Armor. Increases armor. Huh. Okay. I'll just slap on some lizard skin, I guess. Just for every passenger. Oh, is this a passenger? A watch. Clock. I can't open that. Another. Whoa! Damn! Damn! I don't think I can even put that in the video, but we'll see. Might have to cut that out. Cut that out. Cut that out. Oh, okay. Some suitcases over here. Don't mind if I do. More booze that I don't need. At this point, I'll just make some Molotovs. Yeah, let's make Molotovs. So I can't make any more bombs. I don't have any tape. Yeah. What else does this cave have to offer? I just realized I don't even have my flashlight up. These caves are very narrow. Like some places I have to crouch. Okay. Okay, we got an opening. It's over here. Okay, there's nothing over here. Oh, okay, some soda. Another passenger. I'll just drink a soda because I kind of need the energy. Should I go there or over here? I guess I'll go over here. We need a whoa. There's a lot of guts over here. Another door. Okay. Oh, a picture. What? Interesting. I have no idea what that is. Oh, is that outside? No, it's outside. Something added to to-do list. To do. Is that there? Explore dead cave and explore submerged cave. Explore waterfall cave. Yeah, okay. I think these are the same. But I'm not sure about these. Is this like the dead cave or waterfall cave? Well, anyway, that's a dead end. That leads outside. So I guess we'll just go this way. Just eat a snack. Okay. There's a lot of guts and water. Some suitcases over here. Stuck. Yeah, I don't think I'll even try getting these suitcases, because getting suitcases underwater is just a hassle. So I'll just skip right through that. It's over here. Okay, we can go there, and we can go over here. I guess I'll go over here. Just a hunch, I guess. Yeah, now I need to use the lighter. We're kind of in small spaces here. Okay, a bunch of heads. Where am I on the map, actually? Hold on. Never mind. Swear there was like a map in this game. It's over here. In a picture. It's cool. Okay, that's a sinkhole and a cross. I don't know what that is. Okay, dynamite. Alright. I mean, I'll take it because dynamite's good for trees, for blown up trees. Is this the exit? Oh, I think that's another part of the cave. Oh, I think we're... Hold on. Dynamite. We got 5 dynamite. Let's... No! Yo, we're in the sinkhole. That is a long fall. Can I go over here? No. Yo, that's actually kind of cool. I think that's it. It's just a ledge. There's not really anything over here. Okay, let's go back. Because there's that other part that we didn't explore. Okay. That's where we came. Because there's a bunch of water and suitcases over there. Ooh. I hear some cannibals. Oh. Okay, we got mutants now. There's more mutants than I thought. Okay, I'm gonna chug a flare over there. Let's see if I can make it. Okay, I did not do a very good job. There we go. That one was a bit better. Ooh, I'm guessing that's where the mutant is. Alright, let's get the bombs up. Oh yeah. He seems angry. I cannot see more than like 5 feet in front of me. Where you at? Damn! Okay, he's got a whole army. I really hope that's stuck. This stick. Okay. He's definitely still alive. Alright, let's go again. Let's go. Oh! Oh, damn! Okay, it did stick. Hey, chill! Hey, chill! Oh, okay, I gotta go. Alright. So I don't want to blow him up because I do want that skin. Hold on, I need poison. 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 Where's poison? Poison. Oh, I can't see. I can't see. Oh! Wait. Oh, my arrows aren't even poisoned. Go! Where you at? Okay. Okay. Alright, we're getting the Molotov out. I can't see you. Light. Light. Alright, come on, let's go. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Got him. Oh, he was like a one tap. Okay. Need my flashlight. So where are those other cannibals? Skin you. %. Let me just put batteries in here. Okay, that is a lot better. Okay, they just have a bunch of legs. I guess I'll go up here. Huh. Oh, there's a rope. Let's fight. Come on. Oh, I can't see them. I can barely see them. Oh, I cannot see them whatsoever. Die. Die. You too. Come on. Thank you, sir. I need a soda. I'm gonna eat my dried fish. There you go. Alright. I'm back to full saturation. I think that goes up. But I don't want to go up yet. Some rope. I'm gonna make blue rope. Warm suit. Spear bag. Rock bag. Rabbit fur boots. A quiver. Okay, I can hold... I'm pretty sure that means I can hold more arrows. Okay, I have enough actually. Wait. I forgot the recipe. There's a rope and 3 rabbit skins. There you go. Quiver. Holds extra arrows. I'm not sure how much more extra arrows, but any extra is pretty good for me at least. Oh, let's go. I'm looking at a bunch of cloth right now. Where's my spear? Spear. Damn. Damn. That rock exploded. Give me cloth. Okay, I don't think there's anything over there. Or that I have to deal with. Oh! I'll gladly take all of you. Woo! I got like 40 cloth from that. It's pretty good. Oh. Can't pick it up. X. I have no idea what that is, but I cannot pick it up. Okay. I know these crates don't open. Oh, I just found a bunch of packages. Some fuel. Okay, the max is 5. A bunch of rope that I can't use. Let's see what else can I make. Warm suit, spear bag, rock bag. Snowshoes. I'm actually down for some snowshoes. There we go. I can hold a bit more. Is there anything in this tent? I think it's all blocked off, which is fine, I guess. And can't go over here. Alright. Dang. Something's going on over there. I don't know if I should just go up right now, but I know there is another way. And there was supposed to be a chainsaw. And I haven't found that yet. So, I do want to go get that chainsaw. Because that will make my life and base building so much more easier. Dang. There's like stuff going above us. Wait, did I go up a... Wait, what? Did I come from there? What? Did I come from here? Okay, yeah. I came from there, I went over there, and I did not go over there. So this is where the chainsaw might be. Alright. Oh! I'm going deep. Oh, never mind. Just kidding. Okay, that's another part of the cave. That doesn't lead outside. Okay. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I just threw my spear blind. Okay. Oh, I headshot that. Oh, I hit these. Nope. Come on, let's go. Let's fight. Ow, hey, okay, I'm sorry. Where'd you go? Come here. Die. Thank you. Okay, I got you. I know there's another one. Or maybe not. Oh, yep. Do I hit those? Nope, I missed those. Never mind, I missed those. Flashlight. Come here. What is that? Okay, those are babies. Die. Yeah, those gotta go. I think I missed those. Oh, let me burn these bodies. I can't let these good bodies go to waste. Where's the other one? Oh, he knows. He knows. Oh, they both know. I'm shooting blindly again. Is he stuck? Oh, no, no, no. Stuck. Die. Yeah, got your friend. Now it's your turn. And he's going back. No, come back. Oh, he's back. Come on, let's go. Come on. Stop talking. Shut up. Oh. In some way, that kind of benefits me because I get a bunch more bones. Unless they despawn. Okay, no, they didn't. Pick up that arrow. You. And you. Oh no, the babies are making their way over here. I have to dispose of the bodies. Air spray. I need my lighter. No, my flashlight. Lighter. Okay. Alright, time to torch these babies. Let's go. Let's go! Damn! Oh! Okay. Yeah, I'll leave that at that. Need my flashlight back. Okay. Now I need to wait for these to burn. Come on, burn. Thank you. Woo! Oh yeah. Okay. I'm looking good on arrows, I think. 15. I'll just make a bunch of bone armor. There we go. Have a few extra. I'll just turn this all into bone armor. There we go. I have 3. Oh, that's a perfect amount. I can make some arrows too. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna go this way. Because there's more light. And all the babies are scorched. Oh. Block. What is it? Siblings still missing. Do people go, like, missing on this island? Or kids, at least. For that matter. More booze. Let's make another Molotov. What is this? Old gun ammo. Okay. So there's probably some sort of old gun, like a revolver or something. A flintlock. Something like that. I didn't even know there was a gun. Some sticks. There's so much booze. There's nothing in here. Okay. Wait, can I blow this up? Oh, okay. I can. I still haven't found that chainsaw. Maybe it's over here. Okay, the torch is on 18%. That's not good. There's something over there. Bunch of guts here. Passenger seat C. 7C. Some more gas. I'm full on gas. Oh, okay, there we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Chainsaw. Oh, yeah. Yep. I'm through. Now we got the chainsaw. Let's go. I'm not sure if there's still more to this cave. Oh. Maybe not. Maybe we go up. What's up here? If there's nothing up here, we'll just go back down to where we can blow up that one wall with dynamite. I feel like it's an exit. Weird. Put more batteries in this flashlight. Okay, there we go. Huh? New item added to to-do list. Okay, that was there. Find a way to climb rock walls. Okay, I don't think that was there. I think that's the new one. Okay. So apparently, I have to find some sort of tool to climb it. Maybe. Okay. I'm trying to think. I'm not sure if this tool is in this cave. Probably isn't though. Actually no, maybe it is. Because we still have to blow up that one wall. So maybe it's over there. I'm trying to drink a soda. But first, explore what's over here. Okay, nothing. Alright. Did we come from over here? Okay, no, this is completely... We haven't been over here. But we have been here. We just haven't been over there. And the rock... Yep, that's right here. Alright. Okay, so I'm not sure if I have to, like, immediately set it down. Or I can hold it forever. But I probably have to immediately set it down. Okay. See. I'm just gonna throw it. Oh, I think I missed. Oh, maybe not. Let me get my flashlight out. Okay, I definitely did not miss. This wall is definitely gone. Okay. What is that growling? Did you guys hear that? It's a bunch of growling. Maybe this is the way out. Maybe we won't find that tool. Yeah, I think I can make that. Oh, more old gun ammo. A picture. Huh. Maybe that's where... Well, actually, I don't even know. I was gonna say that's where... That might be where the gun is. I don't even know, because there was multiple pictures that we saw in that tent. So, probably not. But I am getting free gun ammo, though. I think I hear babies. Oh! Yep. That's a job for something we call a okay. Okay. Go! I've attracted their attention. Jump over here to get an angle. Go! I'm definitely hitting the babies. Got him. Dead center. Oh! I can't even see. Okay, I got him. These babies have to go. Die. Okay. I need my flashlight. Let's see what's over here. Picture. Great saving. Okay, so that's our chainsaw. And climbing axe. Maybe, hold on, let me get away from the waterfall. Because you guys might not be able to hear me. Climbing axe. Maybe this is what we climb with rocks. To-do list updated. Oh, yep, it is. Find a way to climb rock walls. I don't know. Should we go over here or over there? I guess we'll go over here. So I do want to test this out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Sorry if the waterfall's a bit loud for you guys. I can't really change it. Oh! Maybe this goes the wrong way. Oh. Ah! No! Oh no, did I die? Oh no. What? Yo, am I strung up? Oh. I didn't even notice that I was low on health. Oh. Okay, nothing got stolen, because I know in some games items can get stolen if you die. I'm not sure if I want to go back. Well, let's see what's around here. Some meds. Yep. Yeah, give me some meds. What's this? Cave map. Okay, yeah. It's starting to come back to me. It's like the little bit that's coming back to me. Oh, damn. Oh, a compass? Okay. A jealous god punishes parents' fault on their children. Yeah, I don't think I want to push my luck. Found passengers. More hairspray. Even more hairspray. Dang. Okay, maybe I might need to start wearing armor. Because I didn't even notice. I'm still like in shock because I didn't see. Dang. I'm not sure if our... What is that? Okay, yeah. I'm getting out of here. I hope this is the way out. 'Cause I see daylight. I have no idea where I am. Found passenger 9C. Or... What? Yo, where are we? Found another... No, get a... Oh, get that out of my hands. I will take that cloth, though. Is this like their main camp? No, I don't know why I keep picking that up. Some cloth I will take, though. Yeah, I think we'll come back. Where's my house? Okay, we do know that there's a cave over there. And... yeah, no. Some blueberries. Just to get my water up. My saturation for water. But, yeah. I was not expecting to die and then come up in their main cannibal camp. Oh! The mutants. Oh, yeah, I see it right there. Do I hear two? No, please don't tell me there's two. Cause still I'm not equipped. So... Okay, there is... Oh! Okay, dynamite is definitely good for this. Oh! Oh! Chuck it, chuck it. Oh, crap. This is not good. This is not good. Get away. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Get away. Oh, no, no. Oh, shit, I'm sick. Die! Damn! Chill! Chill, 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 chill. Molotov, Molotov. Oh, okay, he's fine, he's fine. Okay, I got it. And it's turning dark, great. Got it. Oh. Another one. Alright, we're going back to the bow and arrow. Okay. Okay. Today has been definitely something. I feel like I can make a short out of this. I don't know. I do want my arrows back, though. But I will skin you. Because I will take that armor. Okay. We definitely know that mutants can go out of their cave, I guess. Wow. How much do we got? 4? 9? Actually, no. Let's start equipping this. We're going mismatch right now. Boom, boom. Okay, we're fully kitted up now. Nothing can kill us now, hopefully. Now I only have 3 bone armor. Okay, I do have some extra, which is good. I'm not sure how good bone and creepy armor are. I feel like creepy armor would be better than bone, because it's harder to get, rather than bone. Where you just kill a bunch of cannibals, and you get armor. Okay, we did... Huh. We actually had a lot of arrows. I'm surprised I didn't lose a lot of arrows. Oh, now the long walk back. Alright guys, we did end up making it back a little bit before sunset. Get rid of that. And yeah, this episode has been pretty successful, I'd say. Got a lot of creeper armor. I mean, we did die though, but it's okay, it's okay. And we got the katana, the climbing axe that I didn't even know about. I didn't even think this was in the game, or in that cave, and the chainsaw. And we did restock upon a lot of this, so that's pretty good. And so yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. I am just gonna call the episode right here because I don't want it to get too long, because right now the footage is almost at an hour. And yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.